I would like to share a tool with you that is relating and connecting to science. There's some research that shows that by envisioning positive images, we can actually impact our nervous system and the regulation, which we know is relating to more flow of blood and in some ways like better conception shown in some studies. So how do we utilize this tool? How do we utilize the brain power? So I want to give you a tool today on how to utilize the brain to support your goals of becoming pregnant, however you're planning to do it, or however you want to build your family. So what we're going to do is collect images like screenshots, images, paintings, anything at all that when you show to your eyes, to your brain, you get a good feeling. You get a feeling of this is what I want. This makes me feel good. So you're only choosing images that make you feel good. You're not choosing images that may look good, but they make you feel like bad about yourself or what. You're only choosing images that represent where you want to be, how you want to feel, and that when you look at them, they make you feel good, hopeful, positive, self-loving. For example, if you get what you want, which is that pregnancy, how would you feel? So you're going to get an image of a person feeling calm, happy, fulfilled, like they deserve, like they can have hope, they can have the results. You can also add to your collection an image of a fertile egg or an embryo or a thick lining of your uterus. You can see more of those images on my website under my blogs, fertility blogs. So I collected a lot of those images based on my work with my clients. But you can open a folder in your photos or wherever you want, and you just add images that when you show them to your eyes and they get a brain imprint that calms your nervous system. And then the brain can create a passage, a pathway to those feelings of hope, resilience, success, feeling full, feeling deserving, feeling appreciative. So collect those images under one folder and show them to your brain by looking at them. If you could do it every day and see when you show those images, what happens to your body. You can put your hand around your heart or your abdomen, which is where we store a lot of emotions, and see how it feels when I'm looking only on those positive images. Does my stomach feel less tense, more soft? Does my heart or my lungs feel better? So make a note of it, and I recommend adding it to your routine of regulating your nervous system as you're trying to get pregnant. If you're looking for more information, you're welcome to watch some of my other videos. My name is Einat Ezra, marriage and family therapist specializing in fertility, infertility, and supporting you on this journey.